Ever wondered how your GitHub profile really stacks up against other developers?
Well, this tool promises to tell you, plus it'll give you a pretty savage AI roast. So GitRoasted digs into your GitHub, analyzing over 100 different data points.
And it boils everything it finds down to just one single comprehensive number.
That's your total developer score, out of a possible 1,000 points.
So how exactly is that score calculated? Let's break it down.
Okay, so it's not random. The score comes from 8 key dimensions of your profile.
You'll notice impact and consistency are the heavy hitters. They're weighted the most.
But GitRoasted is way more than just a number. This is where it gets really interesting.
First up, you get that hilariously savage AI-generated roast of your coding habits.
Then you can check out the global leaderboard to see how you measure up. And you can even go head-to-head, comparing your profile with anyone else's. It basically gamifies the whole process of improving your GitHub presence. Kind of fun.
Your final score puts you into one of 6 tiers, from developing all the way to elite.
And it's not just about the rank. You also get actionable tips to help you improve.
All right, ready to find out your rank? It's super easy to get started. Just head to the site, pop in a GitHub username, and get your analysis. That's it.
So the real question is, where do you stand? Now there's a way to find out.